Contact, middle.
Log on to that side.
Bam! Be warned, you got people up here. I need one more guy. All right, Grizzly, come on. What's that middle area there? Thank you. Define it for you.
3, 4.
Talking about it.
Wow, we got.
My 2 rounds. All right, got 2 pushing up the middle. You see them?
Yep, I see him. You got 4.
You good with you? All right, find some deeper cover. Nope. Where are you moving to? That's right, you got one in the bushes here in the middle.
Got one leg in. Oh, really? Yeah.
You're out.
Behind that bush. Works. We got 2 coming this way. They're behind the bush. Motherfucker.
I'm gonna move there. You ready?
Go. I hit that dude at least 10 times.
He flinched.
Call your hit!
We need to make that shit clear. How many we got, Stephen? Damn, I had his ass like 8 times. Come on, man. Shit's gonna piss me off. I'm gonna have to punch somebody in their face before today's over.
Call your hit! I hit
Call
you!
your hit!
God damn. Hold up.
This would be wonderful on YouTube. Put cheaters in the description.
That one black dude, I hit him like 16 times. And they're trying to flank. Look, we got one over there. Back.
Good rear.
Dude, fuck.
Call your hit! The little kid! Not you! I know I'm not hitting you, you're about fucking pushing! Yes, thank you, I got that!
You hit the cameraman.
Seamus.
And you're out!
You've been out for like 16 minutes, you fucking idiot.
They out, both of them?
Seamus.
Brown shirt's out. Black shirt's out.
Alright guys.
They're out.
Alright. Gotta pull a fucking... Yeah.
Up until left, are they ours or they out?
I believe I might have been. Need a clip?
Yeah.
Gun. Oh, damn.
Gun.
You sure?
And it's
Hi.
dude.
Oh no, it's not.
Behind the tree. You got speed loader? I got ammo, I just need fucking load.
They're gonna come from the left. Watch the left, they're gonna come from the left. They're left.
Are you listening to this over there? Right, I got you covered. Next.
Tactical reload. Push out something else. That dude moves so quick. Check your left, Alice, your left.
Shit, I did not have range on that. Is he still there? Is he still there?
Who?
One on.
Call it, thank you.
He hit?
I hit one on him.
Big dude?
Nuh-uh.
Alright, big dude's hit, I hit him.
I hit one on him. I hit big dude.
Who?
Me. I shot you, I didn't know you were out. My bad. My bad. That was me, I hit you, I didn't know.
What you coming over here for? You got a bright ass green.
Cool. Green shirt. Hey, let's push hard now.
I can't get them, but they're all grouped together.
Alright, rush him.
Any in there?
There's two right here. Hey, watch out, watch out.
Where?
Let me get that bush clear. Watch out, that little side.
Is it clear?
Oh, what the heck? On the bushes, right there. Where's the grenade? Where's the grenade? Hey, hey. Hey, watch the game. Watch out. Keep them busy. Keep them busy. Keep them busy.